Have you ever wondered what makes a limited edition sports car so irresistibly exclusive? It's the allure of owning something rare, distinguished by unique features and crafted in numbers as limited as 19. Such scarcity fuels the desire among enthusiasts. Enter the Zagato AGTZ twin-tail, a masterpiece of design and engineering. Born from a collaboration between the iconic design house Zagato and Polish supercar dealer Squadra, the AGTZ twin-tail is not just a car, it's a statement. Drawing its lineage from the Alpine A110, this ultra-lightweight marvel boasts a potent 248 horsepower engine that promises exhilarating performance. Each of the 19 globally available units reflects over 1,000 hours of meticulous craftsmanship, ensuring unmatched exclusivity and attention to detail. Constructed predominantly from carbon fiber, the AGTZ twin-tail is a masterclass in automotive engineering, blending speed, style, and a pioneering spirit. Priced from €650,000, this marvel is one of the most expensive four-cylinder sports cars ever. What truly sets the twin-tail apart are its innovative features. At the heart of this marvel is its carbon fiber construction, which not only ensures a lightweight chassis, but also provides a strong and rigid frame, crucial for both performance and safety. The most striking feature, however, is the removable, elongated rear deck. This unique design allows drivers to switch effortlessly between a long tail and a short tail guise, adapting the car's aerodynamics and aesthetics to suit their preference or needs. Performance-wise, the twin-tail does not disappoint. It boasts a top speed of 155 miles per hour and can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. With a vast array of customization options, including 19 paint shades and carbon wheels, each twin-tail is as unique as its owner. The Zagato AGTZ twin-tail is not just a car, it's a collector's dream. With only 19 made, each a marvel of engineering and design, it redefines exclusivity. Its performance echoes the best of racing heritage, while its versatility and design showcases unmatched innovation.